Keep going. Nice.
Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed those little bit of highlights from ATU Nationals. I thought quickly I would give you a recap of just kind of the whole day. First off, I actually had to move up one weight class because there was no one in my weight division that I cut down to. So I moved up one weight class so I would actually have someone to fight versus risking getting an exhibition match the day of the tournament. And then unfortunately I lost 4-5, lost by 1 point. Overall, I felt really good fighting from my warm-up that morning to just in the ring. I felt really good moving around and fighting. I felt like the judging and the reffing wasn't really the best, unfortunately. Got a couple bad calls my way. And then the biggest thing was they changed the rounds from us fighting 3 rounds to only 2 rounds the morning of, and I did not know that. So basically, towards the end of the second round, I got a couple bad calls my way, and I was like, no big deal. I'm only down by 1 point. I'll make it up in the third round. I was starting to feel really good, kind of getting my groove, starting to score a little bit. I'll make it up in the third round. Next thing I know, into the second round, and the match is over, and the other girl won. So, very unfortunate, but like I said, sometimes, like I've always said before, reffing, judging, you can't really control that all the time. Things aren't going to always go your way all the time, but I do know at the end of the day, the biggest takeaway from me is I felt really good, fighting. Luckily, this tournament wasn't really a big one. It was just kind of just a way for me to just kind of get some ring time in before the bigger stuff coming up. So in the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be heading to Daytona Beach for the East Grand Prix, so looking forward to that. And then after that, we got AAU Nationals in July, so really looking forward to these next several weeks, the next couple tournaments. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at AlexWongTKD. I do post a lot of training clips and updates on there, so if you guys want to stay most up to date, make sure you guys are following me on there. Thank you all so much for everything, all the nice comments, all the messages on Instagram and all across my social media. You guys are awesome. I do appreciate all of the support. Back to training and getting ready for these bigger events over the next several weeks. So I hope you all are looking forward to that. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.